we're all having a much more shared experience at Cornell than you would at a different school.
The professor isn't teaching 3 different sections of a class at one time. They're only teaching your class.
When I can work with a student and be with them for 4 weeks at a time, you can really get to know a student.
I find that the small class size and that sort of specific attention that you can have with your professor and that intensive time of that 18-day schedule is actually one of the things that makes Cornell really, really, really special.
Here, it feels very personal. There's a good connection between the professors and all of the students, really. When you've got those smaller class sizes, it lets them get to know everyone. They notice when you're not there. They'll email you.
Classes are capped at 25. Many of our seminar classes, our freshman seminar classes are capped at 18. Our senior level capstone classes are often capped at 18. Arts classes also have smaller class sizes.
They know your name by like the 3rd day of the block.
We have what I would call very student-centered instruction. You can't do that when you have 800 students in a class.
The mentorship is a lot, touching all of the aspects of their life at Cornell. Their academics, their mental struggles, their, oh, hey, I just want to chat, or, you know, just having a familiar face.
I've taught in various institutions, and I've never seen an institution where faculty and students are so close to each other because of the block system, of course.
The professors, like some of them that I've been with, I've done research with, and so that helps like create that relationship even more.
I also struggle with like mental health stuff, and I have like accommodations. So being able to get that like time with the professor to like be like, hey, this is what I'm needing from this class has been really helpful, and I think that at a bigger university that might be kind of lost.
At Cornell, we are always open door, listening, looking, and thinking about our students.